Go to Microsoft's official webpage for Windows 11, scroll down to the ISO section, select Windows 11, Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, and click Confirm. Wait for the website to validate the request. For most of you, it shouldn't take more than a minute. Next, choose English United States as the product language from the drop-down menu, and again click Confirm. The server will validate your request and get the download link ready. Again, the process takes less than a minute. Once it's ready, click the 64-bit download button to get the ISO file and wait for the download to complete. Once the ISO file is downloaded, right-click on it and select Mount. If the PC appears stuck, don't worry. It's loading the Windows files. Just wait for a few seconds. After you get the confirmation prompt or warning, click on Open. It will then load the downloaded Windows files. You need to run the setup.exe file. Click Yes in the UAC prompt to proceed. Once the Windows 11 setup loads, click on Next to proceed. It will then check for any available Windows updates that will be installed during the repair upgrade. You will now be presented with the applicable notices and license terms for the Windows operating system. Read through it if you want and click on Accept. The setup will now download pending Windows updates that it initially checked for. This process is time-consuming, often taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete, although much of it depends on the download speed. Once the setup downloads updates, you will see the Ready to Install screen. In here, you have to make sure that the setup reads Install Windows 11, followed by the edition you are running, say Home, Pro, or Enterprise. Since I am running Windows 11 Home, it says the same. Below it, the setup must read Keep personal files and apps. If it doesn't, you run the risk of losing stored files and installed applications. After you have verified all the stuff, click on Install at the bottom. The repair upgrade will immediately start and take 1 to 3 hours to complete. Remember, you can't use the PC during this period. When does a repair upgrade help on Windows 11? If your PC is glitchy or certain features aren't working right, a repair upgrade can replace corrupted system files without wiping your data. Sometimes updates just don't install properly. A repair upgrade can fix update-related issues while keeping your settings and apps intact. If you've already tried tools like SFC or DISM and nothing changed, a repair upgrade is the next solid step to bring things back to normal. It's perfect when you want a clean Windows experience but don't want to reinstall everything or lose your personal files. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.